Feeling lazy, but still want to build a business? Well, you're not alone. Welcome to the club of smart entrepreneurs who don't want to hustle 24/7. Today, I'll show you how AI tools can do most of your work, while you sit back and sip coffee. Let's dive into the top AI tools that do the heavy lifting, so you don't have to. First up, content creation. Whether it's social media, blogs, or YouTube, content is king, but creating it, super tiring. That's where these tools come in. 1. ChatGPT. You already know it. It writes blog posts, scripts, emails, even business plans. Just give it a prompt and boom, you're a content genius. 2. Jasper AI. Like ChatGPT, but trained specifically for marketing. It generates catchy headlines, ad copy, and even entire email campaigns in seconds. Upload a script and it turns it into an AI video with voiceover, music, and stock clips. All automated. 3. Pictory. Want videos without showing your face? Lazy tip. Use ChatGPT plus Pictory combo and you've got a YouTube channel in an hour. Now let's talk about running your business. Without actually running it, ClickUp helps you build systems so smooth, it's almost criminal how little work you do. For Notion AI, organize your business, track goals, and automate planning. It's like having a digital CEO who never takes a break. 5. ClickUp with AI task management and automation on steroids. Want to launch a website in 30 seconds? Durable builds full business websites with content, images, and calls to action. Just from a few words. 6. Durable. Lazy level. Expert. You're starting businesses while still in bed. Design logos, thumbnails, and carousels with prompts. It even suggests color palettes and layouts. Social media equals brand visibility. But who wants to post daily? Let AI do that. 7. Okoya. Schedule posts, generate captions with AI, and get hashtag suggestions. It's like Hootsuite plus ChatGPT plus Canva in one place. 8. Canva Magic Studio. Yes. Canva now has a i9, Lumen 5. Convert your blog posts or news into scroll-stopping videos. Great for Instagram Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts. Use Surfer for keywords and ChatGPT to write optimized content. You get SEO without being an SEO expert. Bonus lazy move. Create 30 days of content in 30 minutes using AI templates. What's a business without sales? Want focus time every morning? Reclaim will block your calendar automatically. Now you can attend meetings while binge-watching Netflix. Clone your voice and let AI speak for you. In different languages, too. Luckily, AI can help you make money, too. 10. Copy. AI. Create full sales funnels, email campaigns, and Facebook ads in seconds. 11. Tidio AI Chatbot. Add it to your website. And it handles customer chats 24/7. No sleep, no salary, no complaints. 12. Surfer SEO plus ChatGPT. Want your blog to rank on Google? Lazy? Nah, just efficient. Don't just automate work. Automate your life. 13. Reclaim AI. It plans your schedule around your habits. 14. Fireflies AI. It joins Zoom meetings for you, takes notes, and sends summaries. 15. Eleven Lebs. Want a voiceover without recording? That's right, even your voice can be lazy now. A few bonus tools for the ultra-lazy? Subscribe for more lazy-friendly AI content. Drop a comment. MeXO.io launched startup landing pages with full pitch decks. Look at instantly create logos and brand kits. Magai or Write Sonic All-in-One. AI platforms for writing, research, and marketing. These tools practically run a business on autopilot. So there you have it, the ultimate lazy entrepreneur AI toolkit. Why grind when the machines can hustle for you? If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Which tool will you use first? Till next time, work less, automate more.